My dear scholars, within the strategic management, which is becoming as a concept in management theory in business important, because companies now wanted to make plans, develop strategies which will give them a competitive edge. Conventional and traditional viewpoint is economical. And naturally, those professors, those scholars which had that viewpoint, they gave a choice for strategy, keeping in mind the economics, that how a company should develop and position itself from the viewpoint of strategy, which will give them strategic advantage and a competitive advantage in the market. Professor Michael Porter, who is a professor of strategy, he introduced the very first one, a positioning school within the strategic management literature. Positioning school is actually an extension of the planning school. Remember, planning school of strategy, formal planning, and learning school of strategy. So these were two different schools, different viewpoints, different management thoughts. How to solve a business problem. Research इसी का नाम है ना. Positioning school, Professor Michael Porter, he has written a book as well. He believes that there are generic strategic options, strategic choices, which companies should choose from. Generic. Specific नहीं. इन जेनेरिक स्ट्रेटेजिक चॉइसेस में से कंपनी चूज करे डिपेंडिंग अपॉन वेयर दे विश टू पोजीशन देमसेल्व्स इन द मार्केट. अपनी मार्केट को देखते हुए अपने आप को पोजीशन करें. और माइकल पोर्टर ने जो जेनेरिक स्ट्रेटजीज दी उसकी बात अभी हम करते हैं. दीज स्ट्रेटजीज फ्रॉम द पोजीशनिंग स्कूल, दे आर डेलिबरेट. They are effectively driving the organization structure so that you face the market and you develop your competitive position. Because the marketplace is economic and competitive. The analysis of the market will play a major role in this process. How are you going to look at the market and you calculate the results based on this feedback, and especially how the manager is going to control these choices which he is going to make. Choices from the generic strategic options. These strategies are coming out from this process, or the strategies which will come out from this process will be articulated and implemented. The best known, Michael Porter's Positioning Strategic School, giving us generic strategies on the basis of, number one, cost leadership. Do you want to take a leading role in the market? On the basis of the cost, minimum cost, और कोई ऑफर ही ना कर सके. Number two, differentiation. Are you going to present a product in the market, or are you going to present this product in a way which nobody else can do? Differentiate. Naturally, looking at your strategic choices, you will have to pick one. Third one, cost focus. Now, Yes, you consider the cost, but you don't want to be the leading role on the basis of the cost. And the fourth one is differentiation focus. Yes, you want to differentiate, but you will not be exclusively using differentiating strategy. तो अब आपके पास ये चॉइस है अपने आप को पोजीशन करने के लिए, और माइकल पोर्टर ने फिर आपको वो 5 फोर्सेस भी बता दी जो मार्केट के अंदर मौजूद हैं। उनको सामने रखते हुए आप अपने आप को पोजीशन कीजिए, अपनी कंपनी को पोजीशन कीजिए, अपनी प्रोडक्ट को पोजीशन कीजिए। इन स्ट्रेटजीज को यूज करते हुए अपना कंपिटिटिव एडवांटेज डेवलप कीजिए। अब देखिए ना, कास्ट फोकस एंड डिफरेंशिएशन फोकस, अगेन गिविंग यू ए व्यू पॉइंट फ्रॉम इकोनॉमिक्स। So this perspective given by Michael Porter is known as the Porter school of thought, is known as a positioning school of thought, is known as if you are going to develop those strategies which will be based on the positioning strategies. Thank you very much.